Weather.gov redesign by Shantha Rajendran. Here's the agenda for today's presentation. National Weather Services website, weather.gov. Its mission is to provide weather, forecast and warnings for the protection of life. So what's the problem here? Unfortunately, weather.gov is not the most popular website. Weather.com has an overall ranking of 35 and weather.gov has a ranking of 212. What exactly is the website's problem? We cannot use mouse to easily access and select the city or county in the map. Also, the color codings are not grouped together, so it is not easy to search or identifying the warning conditions based on the color coding. Also, the weather text descriptions are not clear enough. Cold is a relative word to use here, and blustery and chance snow are not texts which are clear enough. What are the root causes of these problems? Outdated UI and not having usability and user experience in mind. What is usability anyway? Usability is being easy and also pleasant. We collected some user feedback and they helped us identify much more problems. It takes 21 seconds to read the 7-day weather and they feel that it is much more easier to glance weather in other websites, and our 7-day forecast actually has only 4 days of forecast, and the weather warning on top of the main page is not clear enough, etc. So how feasible are these changes anyway? I did some rough effort estimation for just 3 tasks. We can go over this in detail. It would take roughly 65 man days. Here's a cost versus benefit analysis. Some changes are less expensive but more beneficial to the user. And I did some redesigning, some improvements. I added navigation arrows and zoom buttons so that the user can zoom in easily on the city or county they want. Also, I grouped the color codes based on the weather warning and also the color shades so that it is easy for search, and also the user can understand the severity of the warning based on the weather warnings listed here. I also changed some of the weather text descriptions. For example, here I changed cold for 10 degree Fahrenheit as very cold with a hat symbol, and for extreme cold for 0 degree Fahrenheit I also added some gloves. Ignore the fact that my gloves looks like a cactus. I measured performance with 2 users with 5 benchmark tasks, and I see there could be a 40% improvement in performance. So what are the next steps? Based on your approval and project kickoff, we can start by collecting user data with a big sample and then do a feasibility analysis and then start redesigning the website, and then we could conclude by doing a usability testing and performance measurement to confirm that the changes are sufficient enough. Please let me know if you have any questions. 40% improvement with 65 days sounds like a great deal to me. Thank you. Bye.